today I got a really interesting video for you. We bought this clock at a thrift store for like 10 bucks, and it's a really nice clock. I mean, it's from Hobby Lobby, so take that into consideration. However, I mean, the clock has a sticker on back that says it was $70 brand new. We got it for 10, and I did verify it works, which is pretty easy to tell. You just put a battery in the back and listen for the clicking. But as you can see here, it's been stuck at 210 for the last while. And the saying is true that a broken clock is right even at least 2 times a day. And that's good and all, but we definitely want to get this fixed. So today we're just going to do a little fun project together, getting this squared up. Basically, the problem is the minute hand here is a little bent, so it gets caught on the hour hand. Weirdly, only at 210. I've pushed it past then, and it's worked just fine, but it always gets stuck on 210. So what we're going to do is just open this up, bend that little, probably the hour hand, maybe a little lower, or we're going to see about bending the minute hand up. Either way, just to keep them away from each other. And I just thought I'd let you come along with me as we figure this out together. So first want to flip it over here. And I'm going to be working on the carpet today just so I don't scratch the surface. And as you can see, there's 5 small Phillips head screws that line the perimeter of this thing, so I'll just take those off. I think that was just enough here. Just use my hand just to bend it up slightly. Maybe I'll work on the back here to see if there's any. Just to listen to hear if there's any conflict. Bend it down just a hair. And it's still touching. All right, easy enough. Now we just want to make sure that the 12 o'clock aligns with the mount up there. And just push all these down. you have any questions or comments, please feel free to put them in the comment section below. Appreciate you watching. I'll catch you in the next video.